Good evening, students.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
So, have you done the exercise sum of NCERT? What doubt you have in that? Ask me.
No doubt, sir.
Are you able to do yourself?
Yes, sir.
A homework sum?
Yes, sir.
Sir, doubt in the homework sum.
Which one? The second one or first one? Both.
Sir, could you give the answer for the first one?
Yes, sir.
First one answer is, see, the question was, we'll start the class seriously now. General solution we have to find. GS, general solution. Sin theta is 1 by root 2. Cos theta is minus 1 by root 2. General solution, let me do in 2 minutes, so it will not take much time. Sin theta is 1 by root 2, cos theta. We have to find such theta for which sin theta should be 1 by root 2 and cos theta should be minus 1 by root 2. Means sine of an angle is positive, cos of the same angle is negative. So angle lies in which quadrant?
Second.
Second quadrant.
Second, same angle now. Sine is, so therefore, theta lies in second quadrant.
You're literally camouflaging with that mask.
Theta lies in second quadrant because sine of an angle is positive and same sine of cos of the angle is negative. Now tell me a theta in second quadrant for which sine should be equal to 1 by root 2.
I don't care. Boom boy.
Okay. Tell the sine of an angle tell sine of an angle such that it is 1 by root 2 in second quadrant. So what do you do? Sine of which angle is 1 by root 2 in first quadrant?
45 pi by 4.
Pi by 4. So, but I want to find the angle in second quadrant. So what I will do? Sine
Pi by 4.
pi minus. Tell student pi minus.
Sir, 3 pi by 4, sir.
Pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2 because sine 180 minus theta is sine theta. So what we got? We got sine 3 pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2. So what we can do now, the question is, actually this is MCQ, sine theta is 1 by root 2. So what I will write? Not here, but what they have done. So actually what they have done, I will tell you.
Sir, why can't we divide sin theta by cos theta and
That way also we
equate
can.
to tan
Very
theta?
good. That way also we can do. So I will discuss that. So cos theta is equal to minus 1 by root 2. So cos theta is equal to, already we found it is 3 pi by 4. So we can write cos 3 pi by 4. So we know the formula. Cos theta is equal to, now something is missing here. Actually what answer they wrote here, they wrote the answer as theta is equal to 2n pi plus 3 pi by 4. This is the answer. Write down. If somebody is not understanding, you ask me. This is the answer. 2n pi.
Yes, sir. That's the answer. That is the answer.
If somebody want to discuss, you can discuss. This is the answer because means 3 pi by 4. Next, which will be the angle? Again, we have to add 2 pi. Then only we'll get the same situation. So every time we have to add 2 pi to 3 pi by 4 so that sine of the triangle is 1 by root 2, cos of the triangle is minus 1 by root 2. Don't hesitate. Anybody can ask some doubt if you have. This is the answer actually. Because we have to satisfy two conditions.
So then where do you use the information given that cos theta is equal to minus 1 by...
That way we use here. Sine of some angle is positive, cos of the same angle is negative. So angle lies in second quadrant. So sine pi minus pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, 3 pi by 4. Student, if you find cos 3 pi by 4, then also it will come minus 1 by root 2 only. You can check and tell. You can check and you can find and tell me. Cos 3 pi by 4 is minus 1 by root 2. But to find the 3 pi by 4, either you take sine theta is equal to 1 by root 2 or cos theta is minus 1 by root 2. Any one you take and find this angle. But we want general solution. General solution means what is the other angles? So other angles, see here. One angle is 3 pi by 4. Now, what is the next angle for which same things hold good? Sine of that angle will be 1 by root 2 and cos of the same angle will be minus 1 by root 2. Obviously, this process will repeat after 2 pi. That's why we have added theta is equal to 2n pi plus 3 pi by 4. After every 2 pi, means if you add 2 pi to here, we'll get the same answer. You know all this, see the angle is here. 135, 3 pi by 4 means 135. So 135 degree. Sine of 135 degree is 1 by root 2. Cos of 135 is minus 1 by root 2. You can calculate and find. But not only one answer, general solution. So again, if you complete one revolution and come back same place, same answer will come. This means we have to add 2 pi to 3 pi by 4. 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, 8 pi. So we wrote 2n pi. Either you can take sine theta or cos theta and find 3 pi by 4. But the conclusion is the theta lies in second quadrant. Student, you can again ask something now. Ask something.
No doubt, sir.
What about the second question?
Sir, in the second question, yes, sir, it is
Null
value
set.
is 5 only, sir, because
Very good.
tan x is equal to 1, but tan 2x will approach infinity, no, sir.
Excellent, excellent. See here, this is a good question. Second question. I will only write the tan 2x minus tan x by 1 plus tan 2x into tan x is equal to 1. What is the general solution? So how to do this sum? So what we can do, we can consider. What we can consider. So now what we can do, we can write here as tan, consider tan 2x minus x. So what is tan 2x minus x? That is equal tan a minus b, compound angle, tan a minus b, that will be equal to tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. I think all of you know this formula of compound angle tan a minus b. Tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. But student, what is this equal to? They have given in the question, this expression is equal to 1. This means what is the left hand side? Left hand side is tan 2x minus x. So the answer is what? Tan 2x minus x is what? 10x. 10x is equal to 1. 10x is equal to 1. So we can say 10x is equal to, what is 1? 10 of which angle is 1? So you can say 10 of which angle is 1 is 10 pi by 4. So what is the general solution? General solution means the second type of formula, tan theta is equal to tan alpha. So theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. N belong integer. This is the answer. But what happened? Actually, we have to be careful. We have to not blindly write the answer. When we find an answer, we should see to it that we have to check it whether this answer is feasible or not, whether such answers are possible or not, whether by this answer we are getting something undefined. If we are getting undefined, then that is not considered an answer, although we got this answer. I'll tell again, we have to be very careful now. We are studying about competitive questions. So only getting the answer is not enough. We have to again recheck it, whether this answer has some ambiguity, some problem. Now the answer is what? Pi by 4. You substitute pi by 4 in the question. So what is the question? Tan 2x. So when you in the place of x, you write pi by 4. So what tan 2x will become? 10 pi by 2. All of you agree? See, in the question, one term is tan 2x. Tell me.
So I'm sorry, I got disconnected. My network is fluctuating.
I will teach again, but let me put it.
Please.
So pi by 4. One of the term is tan 2x. So in the place of x, if we put pi by 4, what situation we are getting? Tan 2x, tan 2 into pi by 4. So we will get 10 pi by 2. All of you know the value of 10 pi by 2 is infinity. Means this expression will become infinity when you put pi by 4. Or for that matter, you put n is equal to any number, sorry, any integer, and then substitute the value in the place of x. Every time you will get infinity. Now infinity can't be the answer. This means although we got this answer, but that is not considered. So, but for x is equal to n pi plus pi by 4, 10 to x is equal to infinity. Therefore, no solution. We got no solution. Although we got solution, but that is not considered. I will tell again. Student, whenever you get an answer, you have to again recheck that whether that answer is acceptable or not. Because by that answer, if the term, well, the expression, given expression becomes infinity, so we have to discard that. Now, how I did this sum? This was a homework sum. The question was 10 to x minus 10x by 1 plus 10 to x into 10x is 1. Find the general solution. So I, from my side, because this is looking like a formula, so I considered 10 to x minus x. Then I use compound angle formula, 10a minus b. So by that, what happened? 10 to x minus 10x by 1 plus 10 to x into 10x by compound angle. But this expression value is 1, which they have given in the question. So in the place of this entire expression, I can put 1, whereas the left hand side is 10 to x minus x. So we got 10x is equal to 1. So now 10x is 1 means 10x is equal to 1 means what? 10 pi by 4. Then we use our...
So 1 minute. There you wrote tan 2x minus x is 1. Then how do you get tan x equal to 1?
2x minus x.
Oh, sorry.
2x, no problem. 2x minus x is x. So 10x is equal to 1. But what is 1? 1 is 10 pi by 4. Now use the formula, second type of formula. 10 theta is equal to 10 alpha. Then what is theta? Theta is n pi plus alpha. So this is the answer, but we have to be careful. Just now I was telling you the answer, whether that answer we got, but whether that answer is feasible or not, possible or not. Because what happened when you put this answer, you put any value, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 0 also. Like suppose in the quotient one term is that 10 to x. So if you take 10 to x and the place of x, the answer will put pi by 4. So what happened? This will become 10 pi by 2. 10 pi by 2 is what? Infinity. So now the left hand side will become infinity or not defined, and the right hand side is 1. So this is not the answer, because answer means the equation should be true now. Left hand side should become equal to right hand side. Already I taught you what do you mean by solution of a equation. Means for that value, left hand side should become equal to right hand side. But here, if you put pi by 4, left hand side will become infinity, or sometime it will become not defined also. So what happened? That is not equal to 1. So these answers we got, but that answers are not possible. So no solution. You can copy and again ask something.
Sir, for tan x equals to tan alpha, can we write like alpha lies between pi by 2 and minus pi by 2, but we got the answer as pi by 4. So x has no solution.
Minus pi by 2 and pi by 2, only pi by 4 lies in a student. See here, I think you can see the board. Minus pi, Cartesian coordinate, minus pi by 2 is here. Pi by 2 is here. So in this range, only pi by 4 also lies now. You cannot say pi by 4 doesn't lie. Pi by 4. See, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. I think you're getting confused. Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 doesn't mean only 2 angles. All the angles from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. See here. Minus 90 to 90, only 45 also lies now. In that range, I'm telling you.
I have written pi by 2 to minus pi by 2. I'm sorry.
No, it is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. I think that one only I gave now. Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Always in the beginning, small angle will come and the second term will be larger angle. You cannot do vice versa. Means the first term should be lesser than the second term. It can't be pi by 2 to minus pi by 2. Always first term should be less.
Okay.
I hope you didn't understood also this one. That's any reason doubt is there here?
No, sir.
No problem. You can ask any doubt. Shall I erase the board?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Okay. Now next sum is all of you copy down.
Sir,
Yes.
so tan 2x would be infinity and tan x would be 1. So, sir, infinity minus 1 divided by
infinity
infinity
only
plus 1 will be 1, right? Because infinity
plus-
divided by infinity will give us 1.
No, that's a problem now. See here, who is, what is your name, student?
Himanshu.
Himanshu? Is
Yes,
your
sir.
name Himanshu?
So,
Yes, sir.
but there is a limitation, no, sir, because infinity can be any value.
Very good. Very good.
But that value, if
Himanshu has
we,
asked a very good question. Such things we'll study in coming chapters called limits. See a student. If I say,
sir,
wait, student, I'm telling same answer I'm giving. 0 by 0. What is the answer of 0 by 0?
Infinity.
No, 0 by
I mean,
0 means
0,
no
yeah,
answer,
0.
not defined.
Okay.
Such expressions are called as indeterminate form. You cannot say 0, 1 is 0 and 1 is the answer. 0 by 0 is not 1. 0 by 0 is not defined. We don't define such things in mathematics. Same way, this boy is giving correct answers. Infinity by infinity. Numerator infinity. Numerator infinity is a very big number. Denominator infinity is also very big number, but what is the guarantee both are equal? Both can be very big, but still not equal.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Both are very huge, but may not be equal. So you cannot say infinity cancel. Answer is 1. We cannot say such thing. In fact, infinity by infinity is not defined. We don't know the answer because we don't know the value. Both are large, but may not be same. I hope you got the answer.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Other people who was giving the answer.
Then what is infinity by 0, sir?
Okay, this is next one. Boy more was giving answer. Are you giving same answer, some other
sir,
answer?
yes, sir, same answer.
very good.
Because infinity is of various types. We can give any value for a given.
It's a very huge number. Exact which number we don't know, and both are equal. What is the guarantee? One more boy was asking some question. Infinity by. Wait, tell fast.
I have 2 questions, sir.
Okay,
Infinity by 0 is
Infinity by 0. Second question.
0 to the power 0.
0 to power 0. 0 to power 0. We don't know the answer. It is also undeterminate form.
Sir, but I
Sir.
got it as 1.
0
Sir,
by
but
0.
it approaches 0, no, 0 approaches 1, no, sir.
0 by
Because anything to the power.
this answer I'm saying. 0
Yes,
to
sir, it
power 0
approaches
is
1.
0 to power 0 is indeterminate. We don't know the answer. Here see first one. I'll discuss more. Infinity by 0. One of you tell me what is 1 by 0.
Infinity.
So in this 1 by 0 is infinity. So in the place of infinity, what we can write? In the place of infinity, what we can write?
Sir, we can write
1 by 0. So this is 1 by 0, 1 by 0. In the place of infinity, again I wrote 1 by 0. So what it becomes? 1 by 0. So what's the answer?
Infinity.
So infinity by 0 is infinity. That is okay. That is defined. But 0 to power 0 is not defined. We don't know the answer only.
So why will 0 to the power 0 not be 1? Because if we consider 0 factorial, that's 1, right?
0 factorial is 1.
Sir,
That is also no answer. We have assumed that 0 factorial is 1. That is assumption. Like in physics, you assume that magnetic lines of force start from North Pole, goes into South Pole. Nobody knows from where it starts, where it goes. It is an assumption that it starts from North Pole and enters into South Pole. That's why we have also assumed 0 factorial is 1. There is no this assumption only. Tell me, other boy.
Okay, sir.
sir, if we take a value like 1 to the power 0, it's 1.
1 to
And
power
we
0.
we start decreasing it, or we start approaching it to 0, sir. Obviously, it will reach 1 only, no, sir.
No, student. Now see, actually these answers we give by log, and log you people don't know. 0 by 0, suppose we don't know. So suppose answer is x, we don't know means. Take log both sides, but you people not understand. Log you don't know. Log 0 by 0 is equal to log x. Some of you can understand now. So now what happens? 0 will go back. 0 into log 0 is equal to log x. Now log 0 is how much? Log 0 is log x. No?
Log 0 would be not defined.
Log 0 is infinity. 0 into infinity. So log x. Now infinity is what? What is infinity? What is infinity?
Undefined value.
No, infinity means 1 by 0. So 0 by 0 we got now. So log x is 0 by 0, but we know 0 by 0 is not defined. See, these are all answers we explain by log, but log, you people have very less knowledge. You have to request Harsh sir to conduct class for log also. Log is very important. And so
Sir,
many questions I'm not
infinity
doing of
to
log.
zero. Sir,
Sir, if I
infinity into
take a
0 will give us
value-
0, right?
0 by 0 not defined. That is the problem.
Sir,
See, 0 by infinity is what?
Not defined.
Are you sure?
Yes,
No,
sir.
we are not
So
sure.
what is the upper infinity? Upper infinity. 1 by 0. Lower infinity
Yes.
again 1 by 0. So this 0 will go up. This means 0 by 0 and infinity by infinity are not different. They are same only. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Infinity
Sir?
by infinity is not defined means 0 by 0 not defined.
Sir, if I
Okay, sir.
take a value very close to 0 but not equal to 0, then that value to the power 0 is equal to 1 only, no, sir? So we can say that when a approaches 0, then we can say that it is equal to 1.
No, that way we cannot say. I have proved also we got 0 by 0. So that way we can say not defined. Even 1 to power infinity is not defined. 1 to power infinity is not 1. We'll study in limits, not now. But why we started all this? Okay, this is why I told. See, this answers with limit chapter we will study. We don't know. This is undetermined form, 0 by 0. Somebody say infinity minus infinity, how much? Hey, infinity minus infinity, how much?
Again,
Not
undefined, sir.
Not defined.
Undefined.
Infinity by undeterminate form. Infinity by infinity, don't know. 0 to power 0, don't know. 1 to power infinity, don't know. I think infinity to power 0 also don't know. 7 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more is there.
Sir, isn't 1 to the power infinity 1? Because
No.
you multiply 1 by it will be 1.
No, student. That way it looks like that way, but it is
So
not.
that infinity value can be in the form of decimal places, no, sir? Then it won't be equal to 1.
Because we can prove this by logs. All this proved. Concrete proof. Say 1 to power infinity we don't know. So suppose it is x. Suppose it is x. We don't know. Take log both sides. So it will become log 1 to power infinity is equal to log x. So now what happened? Log property, this infinity will go where? Backside. This is a property of log. Infinity will go backside. So it will become infinity into log 1 is equal to log. Anybody know what is log 1? Log 1 is 0. So now what it happens? It becomes infinity into 0 means what? 0 by? Hey.
0 by 0.
So again we got 0 by 0. So obviously we know 0 by 0 is not defined. So even 1 to power infinity is not. Okay, to me also it looks like 1 to power infinity means multiply 1, infinity time we get 1 only. But that way it doesn't work. But this we'll study later, not now. So one thing you should keep in mind, infinity by infinity is not defined. Undeterminate form. No answer. Shall we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question write down. If 10x plus 2 tan 2x plus 4 tan 4x plus 8 cot 8x is equal to root 3, then the general solution is. What is the general solution? Actually, I should give all this homework, but see here, what to do here? I think question is quite clear. We know this one, 10x plus 2 tan 2x. Anybody want to give his view that how to do this sum? You can ask. You can proceed. How to do this sum, student? Anybody knows?
Can't you use tan 2x formula for both?
Then
All
this
three.
one?
All the three, sir, actually.
Now what happens, student? Actually, in your college or school, the questions will come easy only. What I taught yesterday, that only will come, or mostly they will give from NCERT. But competitive exams, it becomes difficult and all. Now see here in trigonometry, one formula is there which is not so often used. So I may have not given you. Did I give it one formula like this way in trigonometry? See here, one formula like this way. Cot x minus 10x, how much? What is cot x minus 10x? Is equal to 2 cot 2x. Have I given this formula?
No, sir.
See, small formulas will be there, 1 or 2 formulas which I didn't give, which is used very rarely. So you can write this formula. Cot x minus 10x is equal to 2 cot 2x. Like here it is used. If you don't know the formula, it's become very difficult. How proof I will do? So what is the left hand side? How to write cot x? How to write cot x? Cos x by
Sin x.
sin x. How to write 10x? Sin x by
Cos x.
cos x. And the right hand side, we will write that also. Take the LCM. What is the LCM? Sin x into, tell fast student, what is the LCM?
Sin x into cos x.
Numerator,
Cos square minus
Cos
x.
cos square x minus sin square x is equal to 2 cot 2x. Multiply and divide by 2. So 2 bracket cos square x minus sin square x. Denominator 2 sin x cos x is equal to 2 cot 2x. Can you see that numerator is a formula? Cos square x minus sin square x. What is that equal to?
Cos 2x.
Cos square x minus sin square x.
Sin 2x.
Oh, cos 2x
Cos
now.
2x. Sir, I told cos 2x.
Cos 2x. Denominator, student?
Sin 2x.
2x.
Sin 2x. So cos 2x by sin 2x is what?
Cot 2x.
2 cot 2x is equal to, this way we can prove this, but it is used very rarely. So I may have not given you. Copy down this formula. At least formula you can remember this one, because proof and all they will not ask. Cot x minus 10x is equal to 2 cot x. In some sums we can use this formula. Like here we have to use. Copy down left hand side. This is this is trigonometry only. The trigonometry function and identity. Left hand side you can copy somewhere to make a note. This is a new formula. Cot x minus 10x is equal to 2 cot x, 2 cot 2x. Sometime we use this formula also. Because when you see the question, there is some pattern here. 10x, 2 10 2x. 1 10x is becoming double, 2 10 2x. Then it is becoming 4 10 4x. 4 is becoming 8 10, cot 8x.
So sir, is there a similar formula for 2 tan 2x?
No, similar formula for something else I'll give next day. Not 2 10 2x. Shall I erase the board?
Yes, sir.
No, sir, no, sir, no, sir. 1 minute.
Now one more formula you can write, which is still used very less. Like somebody asks you secant x plus cosecant x is equal to what? So you can say it is equal to 2 cosecant 2x. No proof. Proof you can do yourself. Same way. Secant x write as 1 by cos x. Cosecant x write as 1 by sin x, and you can proceed. Very rarely these formulas are used. Secant x plus cosecant x is equal to 2 cosecant 2x. Very easily you can prove from left hand side. This was only the formula. You can prove yourself from left hand side later. Shall I erase the board? Secant x plus cosecant x is equal to 2 cosecant 2x. Shall I erase the board?
Yes, sir.
Now what happened? This formula we will use now. Which formula? The first one. Student, what happened? Actually, what is the formula? I will write the formula here. The formula is cot x minus 10x is equal to 2 cot 2x. But to use this formula, we need cot x. Cot x is not, here what is given 10x, cot x is not given. So what I will do, I will add cot x and subtract cot x. So what I will do, minus cot x plus cot x, to use this formula. Cot x minus cot x. Add cot x, subtract cot x, remaining thing write as it is. Suppose somebody doesn't know this formula, then it will be very difficult to do this sum. 4 tan 4x plus 8 cot 8x is equal to root 3. Then what happens, student? I will write the first term as it is, and to bring in the formula form, we want cot x minus 10x. I'll take minus common. So it will become cot x minus 10x. The first two term I will deal. Plus 2 tan 2x plus 4 tan 4x plus 8 cot 8x is equal to root 3. Student, now tell me, in the place of this cot x minus 10x, what I'm supposed to write?
2 cot 2x.
2 cot 2x. And this thing I will write as it is. And this pattern will continue. I will write the reason also why I'm writing so. Because cot x minus 10x is equal to 2 cot 2x. Now, student, anybody knows what I should do now again? I should take
2 common.
minus, not 2 common, in fact minus 2 common, so that it comes in the formula form. Minus 2 common, so cot 2x minus tan 2x. First two term. 4 tan 4x, and this process will continue. Now, can you tell me what I should write now? Cot x, and what I should write here? Like cot x minus 10x was 2 cot 2x, but now it is cot 2x minus tan 2x. So it will be equal to what?
Minus 2 cot 2x.
So it will be equal to 2 cot
Minus 2 cot 4x.
4x. Okay, because formula doesn't depend on angle. Angle was x, so it become cot 2x. Already it is 2x, will become 4x. So now 4 tan 4x plus 8 cot 8x is equal to root 3. Again, same process will repeat. Again, take common, minus 4. So you can see 2 into 2, 4 only. So it will become cot 4x and minus tan 4x. And 8 cot 8x root 3. Again, same procedure, cot x. So now tell me, cot 4x minus tan 4x, that is equal to 2 cot 8x. Then here plus 8 cot 8x is equal to root 3. Now see here, what is this term? Cot x minus 4 to the 8. 8 cot 8x. And the next term is also 8 cot 8x. One is negative, one is positive. Both will get what?
Cancel.
Finally, what we got? Cot x is equal to root 3. That is the conclusion. Cot x is equal to root 3. But cot of which angle is root 3, student?
Pi by 6.
Pi by 6. Or we can convert this into 10 if you are so much not confident. Because cot means will convert into 10. So 10x is equal to root 3. Same only. So 10x is equal to root 3. 10x is equal to 10.
Tan x is equal to 1 by root 3.
Yes, sir.
Very good. I am wrong. 10x is equal to 1 by root 3. So 10x is equal to 1 by root 3 means 10 pi by 6. Now, second type of formula. Tan theta is equal to tan alpha. So theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. N belong integer. This is the final answer. You can see that sum looks so difficult. At last we came cot x.
Sir, I did it with a different way. Like I substituted the formula cot x minus tan x in 8 cot 8x.
So are you getting same answer?
Yes, sir.
I think you worked in opposite order. You worked, I think.
No, sir. Like I used the formula which you had just given us. Cot x minus tan x is
We can
equal
do
to
that way
2
also.
cot 2x.
In the beginning, did you add and subtract something?
No, sir. No.
Okay. That way also we can do. But other people do this way only. What he's saying is correct.
Okay, sir.
If anybody has even small doubt, you can ask me. Here, I think you're confident now. 10 theta is equal to 10 alpha. Use the formula. Theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. Is it over?
Yes, sir. Done.
Yes, sir.
Sir, don't rub the bottom few lines, sir.
Okay, understood. One note you should write, all of you. Note. What is a note? Student, you should keep in mind that x plus 1 by x. You put x value anything. Wait, I will wait for other people. Copy fast, student. Don't take so much time. Is it over?
Yes, sir.
Now what happened? One note I'm giving, which is very useful actually. So many chapters you can use this result. And I think some of you know in schools only this result. Student, whatever you put x value, whichever real number, the final answer will be what? Anybody knows what is the value of x plus 1 by x?
Sir, x square plus 1 by x.
No, that is okay, but some other student is saying something. Student, whatever you put x value, this quantity will be always greater than equal to 2. It can't be less than equal to, it can't be less than 2. How many of you know this?
Sir, I know.
Very good. Whatever x value you put, it has to be more than 2. Why? Because this the other boy is saying correct reason. X plus 1 by x is equal to, will complete the square. Complete the square means what I should do? All of you know this now. Complete the square. What? A plus b whole square.
Root of x whole square.
A minus b whole square. So what we should do? A minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. So x plus 1 by x I will write as root x whole square. Then 1 by x means I will write 1 by root x whole square. Then I will add 2. I will subtract 2 and add 2. I will subtract 2 and add 2. So what happened? Now this will become root x whole square, which is equal to x only. 1 by root x whole square, that is equal to 1 by x. And this purposely, I'll write this as, I think all of you know this, 2 root x into 1 by root x, because both are going to get cancelled. Root x cancel 2 only. Now, but the first three term, what is the formula? A square plus b square minus 2ab. That is equal to what? Root x minus 1 by root x whole square plus 2. X plus 1 by x. Student, now we came to a conclusion that x plus 1 by x is equal to root x minus 1 by root x whole square plus 2. Focus on the right hand side. Right hand side has two terms. The first term value can be minimum how much?
Root.
First term value can be minimum 0 or more than 0. This means x plus 1 by x will be always, if it is 0 also, minimum also if it takes 0, then also x plus 1 by x will be 2. And if it takes more than 0 means it will be more than 2. I'll tell again. X plus 1 by x is equal to root x minus 1 by root x whole square plus 2. Root x minus 1 by root x whole square. Whole square means it cannot be negative. Minimum it can be 0 or more than 0. If even it is minimum 0, then also right hand side value will be 2. And if it is not 0, more than 0 means it will be more than 2. So that's why x plus 1 by x is always more than equal to 2. So this is very important result. You can copy down also. X plus 1 by x is always greater than equal to 2. Doubt means you can ask me.
Sir, but what if x is minus 1?
Then also how? Then also no. X is minus 1 means, wait, then I have to think something. Wait. Minus 1 means it will not be there. No, then. Then I was telling wrong. It has x has to be positive real number, not negative. Sorry.
Okay, sir.
I'll rewrite, rectify it.
Sir, it can be plus minus also, no, sir.
Plus minus, which one?
So the LHS whole quantity plus minus and RHS whole
You're
quantity
saying
plus
more
minus.
than minus 2, less than, okay. Less than minus 2 and more than 2. That way also we can say.
Also,
So
it can also be
therefore this-
mod of x plus 1 by x.
Very good. So I think I wrote incomplete only. So we can rectify this. So x plus 1 by x is more than 2, or x plus 1 by x is less than equal to minus 2. It will be less than minus 2 or more than 2. In between 2 don't want. From minus 2 to 2 it will not come. If you take negative also it will come less than minus 2 only. I think that is correct statement.
Sir, we can better use modulus function only.
Modulus
sir. That would be
function.
more, that would be more meaningful.
Meaningful. So what happened? So together how we can write this? Together we can write x plus 1 by x is greater than 2. Oh. So if you write modulus function mod x plus 1 by x is greater than equal to 2. So this is the only conclusion. I think one day I taught you, not in detail, but I gave one result. Now why I'm teaching all this? Because sometime it is used, and the next question which we are doing, there it is used here. So you can write this all. Question is, if x is real, cos theta is equal to x plus 1 by x, then what happens? A option, write down question. Theta is an acute angle. Is an acute angle. Is theta acute angle?
No,
B
sir.
option. Theta is a right angle.
No, sir.
Theta is an obtuse angle. Write the question. Is an obtuse angle. Fourth option, theta does not exist.
Sir, it's D.
It's D.
Theta, write down the question. Now,
Because range is from 0 to 1.
0 to 1. Right hand side is more than or equal to 2 or less than equal to minus 2. But cos theta range is from minus 1. Whatever theta you put, cos theta will take the value from minus 1 to 1. So left hand side will never be equal to right hand side. I'll teach again. So that's why theta doesn't exist. There is no theta for which cos theta is equal to x plus 1 by x. D is the correct option. But suppose somebody doesn't know this result, means he will face problem.
So that time we can put x is equal to 1 and we can do try and error method.
Ah, so he's telling correct. Actually, we are not going by option. Some intelligent student, what they will do, they don't know the answer, but by option also they can work it out backward and do. So you should also learn this technique. Usually in mains and all, the technique will not work because they will not give such easy options. Now I'll tell what I'm saying. Sometime what happens, student, by options also we can go backward and see that which is the correct answer. Some questions it work. Sometime by verification also we can find. If we don't know the answer, by verifications, not all sums, some sums, we can make it out. Like, so what happened? You have to learn the art of some sums, like K-set. K-set, some sums can be done by options also. And you can do fast. Like some option they will give very weak, means that cannot be the answer only. So you can ignore that options and you can find the correct option if even you don't do so much working. So I think all of you are getting point. So you have to learn some sums to do by options also. Like your Tuesday exam is there. So you can not coming with from option also you can see which can be the correct option, which is looking like correct. So that way also you have to learn. In trigonometry, usually what happened, theta you can put 0 and check it out from the options. Such techniques are there. But usually in competitive exam, higher exam, mains, advanced, those technique will not work because they will not give such option by which by options only we can get the answer. Girls, are you understanding what I'm saying?
Yes,
Girls,
sir.
even in physics, chemistry also, some questions can be done by options also. Okay, this question has to be explained. Now see your explanation. X plus 1 by x is greater than equal to 2, or x plus 1 by x is less than equal to minus 2. Okay, but cos theta is what? Cos theta is greater than equal to minus 1, less than equal to 1. So left hand side is not equal to right hand side for any theta. Therefore, theta does not exist. Does not exist. Because right hand side is either more than 2 or less than minus 2. Left hand side is between minus 1 and 1. Whatever theta you put, both are not equal. Theta does not exist. Anybody has doubt, ask me. Is it over? Girls, is it over?
Yes.
Yes.
Any doubt? Any doubt?
No doubt.
No.
So this way, small information you should know. I'm going to completely erase the board. Any doubt you can ask me. Now coming to next sum. Shall I give you some homework? Write homework sum. First sum, if cos 2 theta into cos 3 theta into cos theta is equal to 1 by 4 for 0 less than theta less than pi by 4, then theta is equal to what? Find this answer. I have rectified. It is pi only. Theta greater than 0 less than pi. Pi is there here. Theta what? Means your answer should lie between 0 and pi. You will total how many answers you will get in this case? I will give a clue. You will get 6 answers for theta. All 6 are correct. Second question. If alpha and beta are two different solution, are two different, write fast, two different solutions lying between minus pi by 2 and pi by 2 of the equation 2 tan theta plus secant theta is equal to 2, then this is a good sum. Tan alpha plus tan beta is answer 8 by 3. You should get 8 by 3. Next sum is an easy sum. All of you should do this sum. In a right angled triangle, the hypotenuse is 2 root 2 times the length of the perpendicular drawn from the opposite vertices to the hypotenuse. Then the other two angles are one more sum I will give, not more sums. Answer pi by 8, 3 pi by 8. Only one more sum for homework. One more sum for homework. Write down number of solutions, not what is the solution, how many solutions. Number of solutions of the equation. How many solutions? Number of solution of the equation tan x plus secant x is equal to 2 cos x in the interval 0 to 2 pi. How many answers it has? So the answer is
Will it have 4, sir?
2. 2 answers it
2?
has. 2. Check it out. 2 answers. Then
Yes, sir.
now these are
Principal solution.
maybe that way. But they are not talking about principal solution. Okay, now what happens, student? I will do more sums now. These are homework sum. Try this sum and we'll discuss tomorrow. Now the sum which we are going to do now is good sum. Shall I raise the board?
Yes, sir.
Sir, the last problem which you gave, sir,
Yes.
all are real values until tan x is infinity, no, sir. So we can consider that sec x is equal to 1 by cos, then the cos below will go to right hand side. Then we get 2 cos square x, no, sir. So by fundamental theorem of algebra, we know that the maximum degree will give the value of number of solutions. So the answer will be 2.
Okay. That way we can do. But sometimes that answer is not feasible, means
Sir, that's a theorem, no, sir, because all these values are real.
Oh, that is also correct. Okay, that also we can do. Shall I erase? Okay, now the sum which we are going to do is write down question for now. The number of integral values of k for which the equation 7 cos x plus 5 sin x is equal to 2k plus 1 has a solution is. Read the sum silently. The number of integral values of k for which this equation has a solution. Which values of k this equation has solution? Anybody can tell me how to proceed for this question? For how many integral values of k, integer value, this equation has a solution? Not what is the solution.
Sir, we
Square,
should use
sir.
maximum and minimum
Excellent.
values.
He's telling correct. We know this here. Actually, there's no need, but we know that. What do we know? We know that, girls, a cos theta plus b sin theta. What is the minimum and maximum value of a cos theta plus b sin theta?
Positive
Root
a
of
square
a
plus b
square
square.
Minus square root a square plus b square, and it is always less than equal to square root a square plus b square. We know this. Therefore, what we can say, 7 cos x plus 5 sin x will be always greater than equal to minus square root 7 square plus 5 square, and less than equal to square root 7 square plus 5 square. So 7 square is 49 plus 25, that is equal to 74. 74 minus root 74 less than equal to, but student, what is 7 cos x plus 5 sin x equal to? That is equal to 2k plus 1. So in the place of this, we can write 2k plus 1, because in the question they told it is equal to 2k plus 1. And here also 74. What is the approximate root of 74? See, 8 means 8 square 64, 9 means 81. So it will be something like 8 point something, 8.6 suppose. Means approximately we want, not correct. Suppose approximately 8.6. Now, but till here I hope you understood now. Or we can find also. Anybody find 74 square root? 64, it will become 10.
Sir, it is approximately 8.6 only, sir.
8.6. Now what happened? We are interested in k value. So 1 will go. Where 1 will go? 1 will go left also, right also. Both places we have to work together. So 1 will go left. It will become how much? Actually, we should do all this directly. Minus 1 and 1 will go that side, will become 8.6 minus 1. Both side 1 will go. So minus 8.6 minus 1 is what? Minus 9.6 by 2. And that's also 2. Both sides. 7.6 by 2. So from where to where we got k? 9.6 half is 4.8 minus 4.8. Student, but we are interested in integral value. When k is more than minus 4.8 and less than 3.8, so k can take which integral value? Tell. K can take which integral value?
3.8.
Integer boy.
0, 1.
No, minus 4.8. What is the close integer to minus 4.8?
Sir, minus 4.
Minus 4. Next is what?
Minus 3.
Go systematically. Why 0? First minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. Then 1, 2, 3. How many? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So answer is 8. Write down integral value of k is kr minus 4, answer 8. How many? So 8. They are not interested in integral value. They are saying how many integral values. So you have to count 8 answer. So this type of sum can come for integer type also. They will say what is the integer. So 8 is the answer. They are not fundamentally interested in your answer. That's just count and tell. If somebody has doubt, ask me. Girls, what doubt you have? Ashmi?
Yes, sir, I have a doubt. Sir, my internet was a bit unstable. So can you just tell me from the second last step, what did you do exactly?
Here.
No, second last step.
Here we have to
Below
solve
that.
the inequality, student. One will go left also, right also. This both places, because two inequations are there now. So one will go here, it will become -1. One will go that side, it will become -1. Then 2 also has to go down now. Into will become divide. Just like equation. +1 will become -1. But that side also we have to go now. See here, student. 2k plus 1. So +1, we are interested in k value only. So +1 will become what? -1. So I took -1 this side also. That side also. 2 into k. So into will become divide. So 2 will go down left side also, right side also this way. Not understanding?
No, sir. Got it.
But what happened? We are interested in integral value. Integral value means the integer which lies between -4.8 and 3.8. So the integers are -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. How many are they? They are total 8. That's all they are asking. Hey, be fast. Is it over, girls? Boys,
Yes, sir,
shall I
done.
raise the board now? Next question is very good question. Write down, very good question. The number of how many? The number of solutions. How many solutions? That only we are interested. The number of solutions of the equation, not the exact solution. How many solutions are there? The number of solutions of the equation 2 to power cos x is equal to mod sin x in -2 pi to 2 pi is dash. I will off the fan and come. So coming back to the class, this question you have to copy down. Okay. Now, all of you have to stop writing and see the board because most of you may not understand. The number of solutions of this equation, how many solutions are there? Now, student, what happened? You people know graph of trigonometric function. Actually, that is very strong tool in our hand. We have to do this sum by graph only. Other way we cannot do this sum. You people are not unfamiliar with graphs. In school also you have learned how to solve the simultaneous equation graphically. Do you know what is simultaneous linear equation? Two linear equation
Yes,
in
sir.
two variable. How to solve graphically? You plot the simultaneous equation on the graph sheet. You will get how many lines? Hey, two
lines, sir.
2 lines. And where the line intersect, that is what?
The
Solution.
solution.
That is the solution. So see what they will do in school. First, they will teach you how to solve simultaneous equation. Which method they will say? Substitution. Then one more is there now. Which one? One more substitution, and one more is there. Which one?
Elimination.
Very good. Elimination. And one more is there. Cross product. That is different thing. Elimination. Very good. I forgot. And what happened graphically also later. Last they will teach graphically. So plot the linear graph, because linear equation means always straight line. So two linear equation means two straight line where they intersect. That is the answer. So you find the coordinate of that point. That is the answer. So that logic we will use. Here how many curve they have given? One curve is 2 to the power cos x. The second curve is what? Mod sin x. In school what happened? Both were straight line. The curve was straight line. But now we are not dealing with straight line. But the concept is same. The left hand side curve and the right hand side curve will intersect, suppose 5 times. So how many solutions it has?
5 solutions.
Because 5 times they are becoming equal now. We have to see when left hand side becomes equal to right hand side. If they are intersecting means what? At that place, both have same value. Means in order to find the solution, you draw the graph of left hand side curve and right hand side curve on the same graph paper and see that both graphs are intersecting how many times? That many solution. That is the concept. Tell me.
Sir, 2 to the power cos x
how to
will
draw that
lie
graph?
between, sir, it will lie between 1 and 2 itself, no, sir?
So now how to draw a graph, that is a challenge. Now you people are not so much familiar with graphs because just now we started graph now. So I will teach you. If you don't understand means you can ask some question, but before only don't ask. So two graphs, one left hand side graph and one right hand side graph. Suppose I will draw the graph of right hand side. Nobody will copy now. X dash, y dash. It is not sin x. Right hand side is mod sin x. So sin x means sin x or mod sin x. It will be between 1 and -1. So here 0, pi by 2. We are interested in 2 pi. Pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. Only 2 pi. And left hand side minus pi by 2. Minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 2 pi. Student, people don't copy the graph. Suppose the graph is sin x. Suppose the graph is sin x, not mod sin x. That time you know how to draw. How you will draw? Sin x means sin 0, 0. So it will be like this way. Here too, it will go crest, trough, crest, trough. Again here. Somewhat this way. Sin x. Okay, rough diagram only, but this is not our graph only. We want not sin x, mod sin x. Student, all of you know about modulus function, absolute value function. Mod sin x will be negative or always positive?
Always
Positive.
So y is equal to, like how you draw the graph, y is equal to mod sin x. Now y value will be always positive. But you see here, pi to 2 pi, what y is becoming?
Negative.
negative.
So what happens, student, when you deal with, when in mod sin x, when you put the value from pi to 2 pi, suppose you put 3 pi by 2. Suppose put here 3 pi by 2. What you will get? Sin 3 pi by 2, how much?
-1.
-1. But mod is there means what you will get?
1.
1.
Means in one way what we should do, whenever mod is there now, I'll teach in function chapter, whatever negative values are there now, that you take image in the x-axis. Suppose x-axis is a mirror. So what are the values? What is the part of the curve which is lying below x-axis? Take the image, assuming that the x-axis is the mirror, because all the negative values will be same, but it will be positive. Same magnitude but positive. So what happened? Our mod sin x 0 to pi, everything is positive, means no change. But pi by 2 to pi to 2 pi, it is negative. So what will happen now? The graph will change. This negative part will become positive, like this way. So we will not get, y cannot be negative. So this part will not come. 2 pi, this is pi. And here also 0 to minus pi, sin x is negative, but mod means what? Finally it will become positive. So this also will be positive. So this is 0, it will be like. This is the graph of mod sin x. Few questions you can ask me.
Sir, is the answer 4?
4. I'll check. Answer is
Yes, sir. Even I
8.
got
8.
that.
8. How 8 will come? Okay, answer is 8. We'll see. Now, anybody has doubt?
Yes,
in
sir,
this-
it's 8.
Okay, 8.
It is 8 because all values are positive.
Now, see here. Hey, this graph, anybody has doubt, ask me. Girls.
No doubt, sir.
No doubt. Just negative values of y, take image in the x-axis. So it will become upside down. But what happened now? The other graph means y is equal to f of x is equal to 2 to power cos x. Now this graph is little unfamiliar. Now we don't know and all. But I told you how to draw a graph, and we don't want so accurate graph, only rough diagram, so that we can find our answer. And it is not a theory question paper, it is MCQ paper. Student, you know the basic procedure of to find graph, to draw plot graph. You put x value and you get the y value. Here f of x is equal to 2 to power cos x. Put x is equal to 0. So what is the y value then? Y means f of x. Put x is equal to 0.
2.
All of you agree it is 2 only, because when you put 0, cos 0 is 1, 2 to power 1 is 2. This means when x is, what is the coordinate? The coordinate is 0, 2. Where is 0, 2? 0, 2 is here. This is the point, 0, 2. Then what? Then put cos x is equal to pi by 2. Pi by 2 means what? Hey, put x is equal to pi by 2.
0.
Hey, not 0, student. 2 to
Oh,
power
wait,
cos x.
Sir, 1, sir.
1.
1, sir, 1.
Because, very good. Cos pi by 2 is 0, but 2 to power 0 is what? 1. So what is the point? Pi by 2 comma 1. Girls, are you understanding or not? Shall I teach more slowly? Okay, I'll teach once. Girls, tell something, student.
Yes, sir. We are understanding.
Pi by 2 comma 1. Where is this? Where this point lies? Pi by 2 comma 1. X is pi by 2 here. This is here. So we can say that, okay, suppose it goes like this way. Suppose it goes like this way. Now what we'll do? Put minus pi by 2. X is 0, y is 2. X is pi by 2, y is 1. X is minus pi by 2, put student. Put minus pi by 2.
Sir, it would be still 1 only, sir.
1 only now. If you put in the place of x minus pi by 2, cos minus pi by 2 is cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is 0. 2 to power 0 is 1. So what happened? It will go down. Now what we should substitute now?
Sir, 2 pi, sir, because then the result will change. Sorry, sir, 3 pi by 2, sorry. 3 pi by 2.
But we are not getting 8 answer now.
Sir, put value pi, sir, you will get minus 2. Sorry,
value pi.
0.5.
Pi,
0.5.
Pi means 0.5. Very good. X is equal to pi. Pi put. Shall I show you or can you do orally? Cos pi is what? Cos pi is minus 1. Very good. 2 to power cos pi. Cos pi is minus 1. 2 to power minus 1. 1 by 2. 0.5. So pi means y will be 0.5. Where is 0.5? Here 1 means here 0.5. So it will come like this way. Here till here it will come. So again what happened? This branch will repeat. 3 pi by 2 again same story. It will come like this way. Go up. And here also minus pi means again it will come here. Like this way. Okay, this is the somewhat rough diagram of 2 to power cos x. This is the graph of mod sin x. This is the graph of 2 to power cos x. Both the graphs, how many times they are intersecting? See here, 1 time A. This is B. This is C. D. 4 times left side, 4 times right side. E. F. G. H. So answer is 8. Because 8 times they are intersecting means 8 solution. That is the solution now. At that point, both the left hand side and right hand side are equal. That's why they are intersecting. And x is equal to, write down, draw, you can draw the plot the graph also. X minus pi, y is equal to 0.5. X 3 pi by 2, y is equal to 1. X minus 3 pi by 2, y is equal to minus 1, all 1. Okay, this way. How many times the graphs are intersecting each other? That many answers. So see here only graphically we have to solve. There's no other option. Girls, is it over or not? Student, shall I raise the board? Do you need more time? Ashmi? Ashmi?
Yes, sir, 2 minutes.
Okay. We have to do at least one sum more. That also good sum only will do. Do you want more homework? Hey, do you want more homework?
No, sir.
No. Then how things will go if you don't do homework? Copy down fast. This is for f of x is equal to 2 to power cos x. Substitute the value of x, you will get the value of y. And rough diagram, no need of so beautiful diagram.
Yes, sir, you can continue. You can
Now,
wrap it up.
suppose last sum of today, that is also lengthy sum only. Write down number of solution of sin x is equal to x by 10 is R. How many solutions? This equation has sin x is equal to x by 10. Student, if you carefully see, what is the left hand side? Sin x, trigonometric function. What is the right hand side? Which curve is right hand side, student? Nobody knows. Right hand side, Himanshu? Himanshu, are you there?
Yes, sir.
What is the right hand side curve? X by
I
10.
don't-
No, x by 10. X by 10 means what? Linear graph or what? Quadratic?
Linear
Algebraic?
graph.
Linear graph. X by 10 is linear graph. When you plot a linear equation, which curve you get?
Linear curve.
Hey, which curve you
I mean
get?
linear
student?
graph. Linear graph.
Straight line you will get. See, student, left hand side is answer. Number of solution. Same approach. We'll plot the graph of sin x. We'll plot the graph of x by 10. Left hand side graph is sin x. We know the graph of sin x. Right hand side graph is x by 10. X by 10 means what? linear expression. Its graph is straight line. All of you know, school you studied linear equation means first degree equation. This is first degree equation. It will be a straight line. Girls, do you agree? It will be a straight line. Girls.
Sir,
Yes,
I don't know the number of solutions, but I can say that it will be an odd number of solutions.
It will be odd only. Answer is 7. Now student, how first we'll plot the graph of x by 10. How to plot x by 10? Very simple. F of x is equal to x by 10. To plot a straight line, how many points you need? Minimum. To plot a straight line minimum, how many points? 2. Suppose 2 only you need. X is equal to 10. X is 10, y is how much? Hey, x is 10, y is how much?
1.
1. X is minus 10, y is what?
-1.
Actually, I didn't wrote the complete question. We have to find in some range now. From where to where we have to find that also they should give now. Did I not write complete? Wait. They are saying that, no, they have not told where to where. Okay. This is the only question. So suppose x is 10, y is 1, and x is minus 10, y is minus 1. X is 0. X is 0 means y is how much?
0.
0. This means the line will pass through origin. This is 1. Here it is minus 1. This is 0. Pi by 2. Pi. 3 pi by 2. 2 pi. 5 pi by 2. 3 pi. Student, do you think the number 10 value is more than 3 pi or 3 pi is more than 10? Who is more, 3 pi or 10? Student, 3 pi means
Sir,
what?
3 pi is more, sir.
3 pi means what? 3 into pi means what, student? What is the value of pi? Nobody knows pi value, 3.14.
3.14.
Yes.
So multiply, how much you'll get?
3 pi is less.
3 pi is less, sir.
3.42. 3 pi is less, but 3 pi is 9.42. We took x is equal to 10, but both will be close, 10 will be more. So after 3 pi, what you do? You write 10. Nearby 3 pi, you write 10. 10 also is there now. Then left hand side, minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 5 pi, 2 pi, minus 2 pi, minus 5 pi by 2, then minus 3 pi. Less than minus 3 pi will be minus 10. So minus 10 here. Okay. Minus 10 and 10 I put. I'll plot the line first. X is 10, y is 1. Where is 10 comma 1, student? 10 comma 1 somewhere here. 10 comma 1. Where is 0 comma 0? Here. So I will join this to. This is the line. Extend it. Here minus 10 means minus 1. I hope all the students are understanding this line only we are plotting now. What big we are doing? Minus 10 comma minus 1 here. So extend this and join to this. This is the line over. Straight line you should draw actually. What is the next graph, student? Line we have plotted right hand side. This is the graph of x by 10. You can extend it also, no problem. Line means. What is this graph x by 10? What is the next graph we have to plot? Tell fast, time is up.
Sin x.
You know how to plot sin x? Your champion. Sin 0, 0, sin pi by 2, 1. So. Here also, we know all this. Student, tell me. How many times the sin x graph is intersecting the line graph? How many times? 1 time. 7 times. And what happened after 3 pi? The sin x graph will not intersect only because the value of y will be for the line. Y will be more than 1. More than 1 means they will not intersect. Are you understanding? After 3 pi, what will happen? After 10, what will happen? The line will go above 1. Because when x is 10, y is 1. But if you put x more than 10, it will become more than 1. So they will never intersect. So they are intersecting only 7 times. So answer is 7. Copy down, and if you say, I will teach this again. Answer 7. You have to be very vigilant. X by 10, x means linear equation, first degree equation, is a straight line. If you put x is equal to 10, y is 1. If you put x is more than 10, the y value will be more than 1. If the y value is more than 1, it cannot intersect the sine graph, because sine can take maximum value 1 only. Is it over?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so shall we do one more sum? How much
No,
time is, because I think this Harsar has a class here.
yes, sir. It's 7:02. So can we leave?
But you do homework and come.
Sure, sir.
Okay, at least try and come. That's the thing. Shall I give one more
Yes,
homework
sir.
sum?
No, sir. It's fine.
Okay, okay. Then thank you and good night.
Thank
We'll
you,
meet
sir.
tomorrow.
Good
Thank you,
night.
sir.
Thank you,
Good
sir.
night.
Good
Thank you,
night.
sir.
Good
Good
night,
night,
sir.
sir.